My first scene on Simone with Pacino is a New Zealand director. The director wanted to film me and Al Pacino out on the rocks on a rock jetty in San Pedro as the sun came up. So we're on this rock jetty. It's me and Al Pacino like a foot apart. And he's going, are you supposed to tell me that you didn't think with all those awards under your belt, you couldn't get the part on your own merit, huh? And then there's a seagull on a pylon 2-3 feet behind me. And the seagull is just staring at Pacino like, oh my God, this guy's amazing. And then when I went to answer him, where is your pride? Huh? You didn't have faith in yourself? My line is, let me explain. I go, and the seagull goes, it starts flapping its wings and going crazy.
Yeah.
Like, I fucking hate, no, this guy.
Yeah.
Shut up, this guy. Keep going. Yeah. Oh, are you done? Are you done with the bullshit? Maybe we could get back to work on a picture. This happened every time I spoke over my shoulder, and the like Teamsters are knocking pieces of wood together, and the seagull's like, "Fuck you!" Like,
yeah, I'll be here long after you're dead.
The Jersey kid, I thought I'll handle this, so I picked up a rock to throw it at the seagull to kill it.
Yeah.
A, it's ruining production of this movie. Mm-hmm. B, doesn't like me.
Yeah.
And where I come from, that's when you throw rocks at one another.
Yeah.
So I pick up a rock to throw it at the seagull, and all of a sudden, I am incapacitated. Al Pacino has both arms around my body. He has pinned he's a little guy.
Yeah.
But passion.
Absolutely.
And he yells, don't do that! What if he has babies?
Oh my God.
Huh? Did you ever think of that, Mr. Rockman? Baby birds in their nest. Where's our father with our food? Oh, he's not coming home today. He got killed by a rock. Is that who you are?